Nirman organization, with a vision of a knowledge-driven and an economically empowered society, and a mission to promote grassroots social innovations, volunteering spirit, active citizenship, and social leadership among the youth of the nation, in collaboration with SIDA, Center for Youth Development Activities, presents Youth Entrepreneurship Summit 2020. The event caters to Nirman organization's commitment to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals of decent work and economic growth. Entrepreneurship is a major feature of all developed economic landscape. It has been a driver of economic growth, job creation, and the source of countries' countless ideas, many of which were successfully translated into products and services that touch citizens across the countries and around the world, saving lives and enhancing the quality of lives. In fact, entrepreneurship is more than just an engine of economic growth. It is also a factor that makes communities more vibrant, inclusive, and secure. Creativity is the mantra, and the young minds are considered to be the powerhouse of innovative ideas. Keeping this in mind, youth entrepreneurship helps youth to develop new skills and experiences and promote innovation and resilience in youth. As youth entrepreneurs are particularly responsive to new economic opportunities and trends, they would be able to better adapt to the changing market. Keeping this in view, I'll start today's meet with the wisdom of words by our honorable dignitaries. So may I please request Ms. Uma Kesani to come up on the stage and to take the dais and speak a few words about the summit now. Welcome. A big round of applause.
Respected dignitaries and Nirman family members and future budding entrepreneurs. My greetings to one and all. And wish you a wonderful and prosperous new year. Thank you. So, a few words. I'll start with one sentence. Just have it in your mind. Okay? I hope everyone are listening to me. Yes? Thank you. So, look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. Right? Yes. So we are not alone. The whole universe is with us. And it will help us as long as we dream and work hard. Right? Thank you. As Tanushree already mentioned to you, this summit is organized by Nirman and CYDA. CYDA is Center for Youth Developmental Activities, right? So these both are two different NGOs, but a common goal of this Summit is to build a network of 3,000 first generation entrepreneurs by 2030 with an average investment of 50,000. Minimum earning is 10K per month and creating 10,000 additional jobs. This is the common goal of Nirman and CYDA. This goal united these two organizations. So I hope you will find your partner here today, and also while we are igniting that lamp, I prayed that many of entrepreneurs should start from this room and should help many others who are outside, right? So job giving is just a giving, but job creating is bigger than giving, right? Yes. Bigger than just giving. So I'm so much delighted and excited to have you, all of you, in this summit and to see you in future as entrepreneurs giving so many others jobs, right? Yeah. So I just speak a little, like we may think that we are just starting now, right? With nothing. but there are many people who started with nothing but grown to a very big level. So have you heard of Akshay Patra? So started by, like, whose leading person is Madhu Pandit Dasa, right? Once upon a time he committed suicide. Then he met God, like he came in contact with God, and he came in contact with ISKCON, and he led this what is that, Akshay Patra, and 3.2 billion meals are being served through that Akshay Patra. 3.2 billion, how big it is and how small it was started, right? And Arvind Kejriwal, hope everyone knows, right? So Arvind Kejriwal, he started with a Parivartan, a small initiative, transformation to what he wanted to do is empowering citizens to govern themselves, like democracy, empower Aam Aadmi, like normal people. So he started with that and transformation, Parivartan, and who is he now? CM of Delhi. And what is he doing? He's bringing lot of reforms in Delhi, right? Right? So in education, in health, you read about the Delhi reports, you will understand. So many changes, water, health, so many clinics, education, all the schools are reformed and the quality of schools are increased. Lot of things, right? And you have heard of Pratham Madhav Chaval. Sir has started many years back, but he is working with government, right? Government is also taking Pratham reports as a bigger reports. So it's going very big. And Anshu Gupta, Guns, you have heard? Guns. So this is a cloth collection and sorting and delivering. So to use with dignity and with pride. So they take cloths with the people who are from corporates and they give to the rural people. In Shaheen Mistry, you heard Teach for India? How many of you heard Teach for India? So Shaheen Mistry is the founder. She just started inviting her 2 or 3 friends for volunteering to teach the rural kids, to teach the slum kids. Now there are about thousands of Teach for India fellows and giving the classes to lakhs of students from government schools, thousands of government schools. And you have Super 30, Hrithik Roshan, how many saw the movie? Yeah. Sir, okay. So Super 30, he's a mathematician. So he made a dream of making the rural kids to IITs. So he has a batch of 30 members and he ensures that all 30 goes to IITs. He gives that, right? And last, Bindeshwar Sulabh, how many heard? Sulabh complexes, right? So he has started that initiative and he has made it international. So he ensured that everyone gets rightful place in society. In Fab India, how many heard? Fab India, you heard, right? So Rang Sutra, which is started by Sumita, so she takes the weavers of rural weavers to, she retails it to Fab India, and she ensures that the rural weavers gets the money completely. And yeah, last but not least, Nirman. So Nirman have started with few committed 10 volunteers in 2005, but today it is with 300 full-time employees and thousands of volunteers supporting 10 lakh people. It just started with nothing. So all of the examples that I told till now are started with zero as a person, but they didn't give up. They just continued, and they were just working and working and working. And I have complete hope that you will all work and you will all succeed. Thank you so much, and all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am.